Time is more than just numbers on the clock. It's a story, a tradition, and the rhythm of life. I'd like to share with you what I have learned about the Igbo calendar. 1 week, Izu, consists of 4 days, Ụbọchị, which are Eke, Orie, Afọ, nkwọ. Different communities choose different days for their markets, which also rotate according to this 4-day week. People born on a specific day are also named accordingly. For example, a man born on the Eke market day would be called Okeke, and a woman born on the Afọ market day would be called Mbafo. 1 month, Ọnwa, has 7 weeks or 28 days, and 1 year has 364 days. So 1 day is missing. That 1 day was usually added as a special festival in order to align with the solar cycle. The new year starts with Iri, the New Yam festival, in order to mark the harvest season. Igbo people were using the calendar in order to schedule their activities and celebrations or plan their planting and harvest times. Igbo Amaka. I have seen that my channel is reaching some diasporans, so I'm happy to connect and learn some Igbo together. Thank you for your support.